Are you excited, Lambeau? Are you excited?
He's not doing it like he was before.
Yeah, he was running around in the living room. Lambeau, you excited? You excited? You excited? You excited? You want to show your excitement? Want to show your excitement?
I got num-nums.
Oh no. It's
Just for Lambeau. One for Dinkers. Scrumptious.
Yeah, scrumptious. Gets really excited over eating.
Well, that's like the only thing they get excited for is breakfast and dinner and outside.
He's really eating it. He's going really fast. He's like, oh, I gotta go lay down and be lazy now.
In the morning, he's a slow poke.
I know he is, because he wakes up at 7:30 and barely does anything. He just sits on the couch and be lazy. He doesn't have anything to do during winter anyway. Unless he runs outside, which he barely ever does. He just rolls around in his own droppings. Man, he's almost done. He's even further than Tinkerbell. That's pretty rare.
Where am I going to put these now?
Tinkerbell usually throws up after she eats in like 1 minute. You know what? You finish up reading, okay, Lambeau? Lambeau always makes sure to lick his bowl after he's eating. Right, Lambeau. Don't want to leave anything behind. You tinker. Where are you going? Oh, see some stuff on the floor to eat, huh? Oh, now he's going to his sister's bowl. And the water. You like drinking that water. You do. Funniest dog in the world. What are you gonna do now? Gonna go downstairs? Yeah? Where are you going? What? What? You wanna go? You wanna go? You don't wanna play right now? No? No? Okay. Okay guys, I'm sorry I haven't made a video in a long time. I've been pretty busy. But I will make a lot of Lambeau videos where he's being really funny. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.